You almost have, it's right there, it's right there, it's right there. It's going towards Fisher.
What you think it is?
What is up, viewers? We are here today at, I believe it's called, I have to look it up, something Cove. But it's in Tennessee. There's a spring, there's waterfalls, and there's rivers. We're gonna go check it out and see what we can find today. Follow us.
Okay.
Ooh, I wonder if it ever gets flooded up there. Looks like it's like water there. Kind of weird. What? Some salamander! Salamander! You almost feel how cold the water is. The breeze coming up from this water is like ice cold.
What you doing out there, boy?
It's freezing cold. If you're looking at your right for
Oh. We'll make it back? Divers trying to skip boulders across the water. So guys, we are on our way to head to Cove Waterfall. We gotta go up the hill.
I already did.
Kids are gone.
Party!
It's water real quick. Water is cold!
And then Mother Sow is with her young sows, cooling off in the water. Look at this little baby piglet with the green shirt, overheating from exhaustion. Mama sow stays nearby so her young piglets do not run off
Oh, it's a minnow.
and float down the stream.
I saw it. There's three.
This young piglet is slowly wandering away,
Mama bear coming to correct him. Chew him on the neck a little bit.
unaware of Mama sow coming in the near distance. Look as they forage through the water, looking for their last meal for the night. Young piglet over here is about to fall off the slippery slope.
Nope.
Mama sow and baby piglet are working their way north in the stream.
Big spider.
It's a water bug. Don't hit my...
Diver, I can help you cross over there to that spot.
Mama sow just translated to baby piglet that they can go across the stream. Look as Mama sow helps baby piglets across the stream. They're on to their long lost journey.
Oh no. Garter snake.
Fisher panic, you fell.
You're okay.
Diver, keep your eye on it. Keep your eye on it. I'm gonna get the phone from Daddy.
Oh, Fisher. It's right here.
Wait.
Fisher caught one. Mommy. I just had one that went right between my fingers. Another one. I got one. It's a red one. Diver caught one. Oops. There goes one on my foot. Oh. Oh. Come back.
He just dropped it right there.
What just went between my toes? I found my first quinfish.
Nice. Did it pinch you?
Nah, it is don't. He's a little tiny one. That was called a red one. He just made he lost, but he
You gonna keep it? Keep it.
He swims. He's little. He's like a.
Is it a boy or girl?
This is. This one's a girl that has an egg. Orange egg.
Ooh, look at this way.
Sorry guys, I had the wrong phone with me, but so we are here. Found, is it a newt or is it a salamander?
I think it's a newt.
I think it's a newt. Let me get a closer look at that, sweetie. Aww. Seen it out of the corner of my eye, but I thought it was just a root. Hello viewers, we're still here at the Cove Waterfalls National Park in Tennessee. And Diver almost just stepped on this snake.
The tail broke off a little. On the tail.
Should I get a picture of it, my phone? It almost looks like the corn snakes in Florida, but I think it's probably a hawk snake. Heard about the Matson boys coming. Too bad you ain't got your snake stick right now.
Ready, Dad? You won't believe. I want to go throw a rock at a spider. And guess what was under the rock? A tiny salamander.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh,
It's a tiny salamander.
That is freaking tiny.
Fisher, what's wrong?
It wasn't even in water.
I don't know.